Automobile Technologies introduced its flagship software, Recon Pro, more than 10 years ago, and has been the leader in mobile software solutions for reconditioning professionals ever since. In coordination with customers and the best minds in automotive software development, Recon Pro has grown over the years in sophistication and capabilities and continues to maintain best-in-class utility for high-volume reconditioning workflow and team management. Although Recon Pro has grown to be a solution for complex organizations, some businesses don't require all that complexity, but still need help controlling the basics of their business, managing customers, creating estimates, work orders, and invoices, and reducing all the time and paper those tasks require. That's why AMT created Repair360. Built on the same robust Recon Pro platform, the Repair360 app provides simple but powerful tools to manage all the basics. With the Repair360 app on your Android or iOS device, you can easily create end-to-end work records and have those records at your fingertips. A VIN scan starts the process, automatically identifying the vehicle and guarding against duplicate records. Enter or select the customer and perform your estimate right on your device. The app comes preloaded with common services, and you can easily add your own services and pricing to customize the app to your business. Add notes, photos, or videos to the estimate to document everything, and submit for signature approvals on the device, through Web Connect, or print wirelessly with or without internet access. The approved estimate becomes the work order, listing all approved work. When completed, Repair360 creates a beautifully detailed invoice with your branding that you can print, fax, or email to the customer. The Repair360 app has been hailed as a game changer for mobile service companies like detailers, PDR and hail repair, interior repair, wheel repair, glass shops, and many more. Imagine the time you will save not having to fill out and file paper forms and having a single place for all your customers' records. Repair360 integrates with QuickBooks Online too, so you'll never have to double enter your data. The best part? Repair360 is available free for a single user and at very low cost for multiple users. Because it's built on the Recon Pro platform, you can add additional features to suit your business as it grows. Check out Repair360 for yourself. Download Repair360 from the App Store or Play Store today.